This video is about the connection tools that we are going to use in the chemistry class. Three things that we're going to talk about today are emailing, Edpuzzle, and Remind. So the first thing you need to do is go to Google and make sure that you are signed in. So anytime you get your computer up and running, this is definitely a good thing to do and get in the habit of doing first. Okay, if you sign in and you know how to get to Google Classroom already, you can always make sure you go to the waffle. So the waffle is located right here. It is the hub of all of your Google tools. So it's going to be where you find your email, you find Google Classroom, you find anything else you want to use that is a Google product. So once you click the waffle and you make sure you find your Gmail account or you have it possibly loaded in your toolbar, that's good too. If you need help figuring out how to do that, I definitely can help you with that. You want to make sure you go to the M for your mail, Google Mail. And what I want you to do is compose or write me a hello message. So my email is here. Once you start typing it in, it should populate for you. Compose is the button that you're looking for. mstern@fcpsschools.net is my email. So here's what I want you to tell me. What do you like about science? What is your goal for this class? And one thing that makes you special. You, not science. You. I need to get to know you guys. And this is just one small way of kind of starting that. I might know some of you just from the hallway, or I might know some of your friends, but I need to know you. And I want to get to know you bit by just doing little things like this. And emailing me is a great way to start that conversation and keep in touch as much as possible. Now, if you're watching this video, you want to probably pause it right here so you can complete this assignment. Next up is Edpuzzle. We have an Edpuzzle account that you need to be linked to. So you want to go to edpuzzle.com and you want to enter the code IMIGIKO. And that links you to my Edpuzzle account. So any assignments that require an Edpuzzle, you will be connected to, and we'll make for some easy grading and make sure your assignments get accessed to me for sure. The last thing is Remind. Now, if you have not used a Remind account before, it is a great way to keep updated on assignments and things like that. I'm also going to have a Remind account for parents that I will be putting out to them. But if you have a smartphone, you can go ahead and go to a web browser and put this code in here. And if you don't have a smartphone and you want to still join and get notifications, you can just text 81010 to this message and you will be connected to my Remind. And that's going to help you guys stay in touch with me, especially since I'm not going to see you every day for sure. Okay. Other than that, please let me know if you have any questions. Again, email is a great way to communicate, if not in the chat when we get together during class.